Hey guys, Aaron here. So today we're talking about how to replace an operator bracket on a Wayne Dalton door. This is an older Wayne Dalton door and this bracket is no longer made. So today we're just going to go over how to fix this and I'll show you the new bracket they recommend. Now it is a smaller bracket and it's a little different, but it is the one that was recommended to me by Wayne Dalton. And even though this is a 16-foot insulated door, this is the one they recommended. So we'll go ahead and show you how to get that installed. So let's get started. So before I can install the new bracket, I need to try to repair some of the damaged area here. Now it doesn't need to be perfect, but I do need to be able to fit the new bracket over the top. And right now the area that's damaged is right where that new bracket's going to go. It looks quite a bit better, and I should be able to put the bracket over there and secure it down now. All right, let's see. Yeah, that fits quite a bit better. Now we'll just go ahead and adjust the arm here. And I'm adjusting this so that I can get the right height. This guy. Now you may have a different size, but this is 9/16. Now once that's in, and I got it lined up where I want it, I'm going to just use these number 14. They're number 14 3/4 inch self-tapping screws. Now you can find these at your local hardware store, just anywhere, but these are designed for garage doors, so the head's just a little bit bigger on them. So we'll go ahead and screw this down. Now we've got a nice little adapter here, which I'll link in the description as well. Just go into a little bit more powerful of a drill. There you go. Now, of course, depending on what you had in there before, you might need a new clevis pin because this is a bit longer of a stretch.